M3 CSL coupe, smaller, lighter. Carbon fibre door cards, bucket seats, more lightweight. I'm going to try and improve the Alcantara. And do a few of the plastic scratches. Make it look mint. See, they put the Alcantara steering wheels in the racing lightweight editions for more grip. It's supposed to be like that, like suede on the inside. And when you touch it, it just gets greasy and grubby. It's literally shining up, clagged up. Everywhere you touch, when you're reversing. Let's see if we can get it back.
You took the out in it?
No. Now I've given it all a gentle scrubbing. Good scrubbing, but gentle scrubbing. Got it all wet. I'm going to use a brand new rag to go over and pull out any last bits of dirt, any years worth of grease off your hands. Fresh, damp microfiber. It's clean, but there's still a bit of dirt in there. Can't really see it with the camera. But now it's clean enough just to eat off. Put your own dirt back on it. I've had a clean round, find damage, some scratches on the seat backs, cleaned up the steering wheel. I just rubbed some of the paint off there, because it wasn't very tough if you rubbed it off with water. Hard seat backs, some plastic scuffs, and then this I've popped out because it's got splits on it. I never want them doing. Each side, I think somebody's tried to rip it out from the middle. But you take the whole base out like a standard 3 Series seat. Just pull the whole base out. And that was plugged in from underneath. Somebody's actually touched these in with a permanent marker. You can see the black, so they should be.